One thing that I had tried years ago that I really liked was Malwarebytes, and I had set it up a couple weeks ago, and I bought premium licenses for all my devices and like all our phones, and like I set it up, and I think what was it? It was some, I forget what it was, but it kept attacking uTorrent, um, and like I couldn't get it to stop, and like it just kept attacking it. It kept attacking a bunch of other stuff that like I know is legitimate, and like I set it up where like it was whitelisted, where I was like, don't mess with this, and it just kept doing it. So like I was like, man, screw this. So I ripped it. I ended up ripping it out, and I contacted them. I was like, I want my money back, man. You could trash your software is trash, man. And but like it, like back in the day, it was really good. I really liked it. It worked awesome. And it just seems like it's I don't know. Right? That really that I was like, damn, that sucks because it was such a good program, back in the day.
Oh, I remember using Malwarebytes back in the day for sure. It was a really good one. I've moved on to and recommend now. This is controversial. Kaspersky.
Hmm.
I have several reasons for recommending that. One of them is because the NSA hates them. Uh, so the NSA has TAO, Tailored Access Operations, which is one of their secret hacking groups, and Kaspersky detected some of TAO's operations and called them out in a huge blog post, reverse engineered some of their hacking tools, and published it all. It wasn't like a year and a half later, the U.S. government banned Kaspersky on all public computers. And that might be like one way of framing it. Of course, there's the genuine concern like Kaspersky's located in Russia, and Russia, they have their own surveillance operations, and they're not exactly the most free country either.
Hmm.
So I also understand that perspective. Just strictly looking at a technical point of view, Kaspersky tends to rank the highest with its AV detection rates and like detecting things just based off of patterns. It's a really good piece of software. The question that you need to decide for yourself is: do you trust Kaspersky to not be giving data to the Russian government? And that's a question I can't answer for anyone.